Some furniture tries too hard. Loud shapes, strange fabrics, promises it cannot keep. This futon does the opposite. It stays quiet, clean, and practical, and that is exactly why it works. The Homall Futon sofa bed is wrapped in smooth faux PU leather that looks sharper than its price suggests. The surface has a soft, slightly glossy finish that feels cool and comfortable, not stiff or cheap. Paired with chrome-plated metal legs, the whole piece carries a modern, no-drama look. It fits easily into bedrooms, studio apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or even an RV without fighting the space around it. It supports up to 550 pounds, which gives it a sturdy, grounded feel once assembled. Assembly itself is refreshingly simple. Parts arrive well-packed, protected, and complete. Everything needed is inside, including the cup holders and arm cushions tucked neatly into a zippered section of the seat. Most people are done in about 20 minutes, even with minimal reliance on the instructions. The frame locks together cleanly, and once upright, the futon feels stable and balanced. The backrest adjusts into 3 positions: 120 degrees, 160 degrees, and fully flat at 180 degrees. This allows it to shift roles easily throughout the day. Upright for watching TV, recline for stretching out with a phone, or flat for a nap or overnight guest. The armrests are not fixed pieces. They are removable cushions that double as pillows when the sofa is laid down. This design keeps things flexible, though it also means the armrests sit lower and looser than traditional ones. A small but thoughtful feature sits in the middle, dual cup holders hidden in a fold-down center panel. They appear only when needed and disappear when not, keeping the sofa looking clean. It's a detail clearly made for movie nights, casual hangouts, or teenagers hosting friends. Drinks stay close, spills stay unlikely. Comfort depends on expectations. As a sofa, it offers firm, supportive seating that works well for lounging, watching TV, or conversation. The seat height is lower than a traditional couch, which some people love and others notice right away. Shorter users find it especially comfortable, with feet resting flat on the floor. Taller users may find it low, but not unusable. Teenagers, in particular, seem completely unbothered. As a bed, it shines best in short stretches. It works well for naps, overnight guests, or younger sleepers. Children and teens find it comfortable and supportive. Adults can rest on it, but taller bodies will notice the length limitation. Feet may hang off the edge, and that's the trade-off for its compact size. This is not a primary bed, and it does not pretend to be one. The faux leather holds up well to daily life. It cleans easily, even with pets around, and doesn't trap hair or odors. The surface resists scratches better than expected and keeps its smooth look with minimal maintenance. It feels durable enough for regular use without feeling stiff. There are a few small compromises. The back cannot sit flush against the wall due to the folding mechanism, leaving a visible gap. The arm cushions could benefit from being slightly taller or secured more firmly. And while the look is sleek, the futon is clearly designed for compact spaces rather than large living rooms. Still, this piece knows what it is. It's a smart, affordable solution for limited space. A couch for hanging out. A bed for resting, not settling. A clean design that doesn't shout for attention but earns it anyway. For the price, it delivers comfort, style, and flexibility without pretending to be more than it is. And sometimes that honesty is the most comfortable feature of all.